Hello and welcome everyone. I am Priyanka on behalf of Paper Rose Studio, and I want to share with you a beautiful project that I made using the Meadowbrook Farm Basics from Paper Rose Studio. This is a collection full of fruits and flowers and beautiful blooms. So I made a beautiful box to put in all your favorite recipes from your grandma's, mom's, or even your own, or even from the internet that are your favorite to cook. So that's the box I have made from cardboard. So this is a beautiful strong board, and that's the beautiful paper pack. And I've used some metal embellishments and added some legs here so that it's easy to store and you can just look at it. And I have just decorated with some elements from the paper pack, and that's the front. And then I've also given a beautiful drawer. First, let me walk you through these small boxes that I made. This was a die that I got in a D stash, and this you can just get this box out of that die. And then I have just put in some recipe card inside so that you can write inside, and I've decorated with the elements from the embossed die cuts from this collection, added some papers inside and at the back as well, and on the side to make it a bit colorful here. And then on the inside, if you see, there's a small accordion fold where I've given it in this format so that there's enough space even for ingredients as well as the whole recipe if you want to jot down some longer points or in much detail. So that's the amazing use of cardstock as well as pattern paper. I thought it's going to be really practical, and you just look at the recipe here, or even you can name them on the side or maybe on the top so that it's easier to browse through and just pick the one which you need. So I made 10 of those. So let me show you the cute embellishments from the paper pack. And then I've used the pattern papers just to decorate, and it was so much fun to make these. So that's another one here. And the next one, look at this flower arrangement. And then at the back here, there's citrus fruits and some. I thought it's going to be a great addition for storing your sweet tooth recipes or some desserts or some jams or pickles or something like that. So these were my favorite thing to make for this project, and I love decorating all these boxes with these small embellishments. So these are the 10 boxes, and then you have this ample amount of space where you can even put some more recipe cards. So let me just keep them back here and I will show you what's in the drawer. So that's the box here with beautiful 10 boxes, and then we have a drawer which you can just pull out. And then in here I have used some cards from the paper pack and made them out into booklets. So inside here as well you can put in your recipe or some messages if you want, or some memory related to a recipe or your kitchen memories or something like that if you bake together with your grandmama or your mama. So you can just put in those inside these. So I've given some of the cards, and some of them I have just left plain here so that you can use them because they're double-sided, and you can just change things according to what you need. So this was a beautiful addition to this project. So there were beautiful note cards: nature's beauty, apple of my eye, today is wonderful, and then when life hands you lemons, make lemonade. It's a beautiful quote. And then we have more of these cards that I put in this cute drawer, and then you just put it inside and look through your box and have a look at these beautiful recipe cards. So I hope you like this project, and let me know in the comments what would you make your recipe box for, and which is your favorite recipe to work always. So this is it from my side. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon in my next video.